Hi, I've got another unboxing video for you, and I'm unboxing Masktime. So that's the outer package, that's how it arrived. So this one was a bit of a surprise for me. I was sent this for free from Masktime, and I didn't know I was receiving another one. I was contacted by Masktime and asked if I was interested in receiving a box for free in exchange for a review on my channel, which, as you know, I absolutely adore sheet masks, so I said yes, definitely, hands down, yeah, definitely. And yeah, and I thought that was it. But no, this was sent to me, and I haven't had an email or anything, so thank you so much, Masktime. I wasn't expecting it at all. So I just want to be transparent with you all. When brands are contacting me asking if I'm interested in reviewing their products in exchange for a review, I have never had anyone that has told me to say certain things. Yes, you know, they might say, well, mention, you know, we've got a website and little information like that, which is what I do anyway. Even if it's a box I've bought myself, I do a lot of background information so I can tell you as much information as possible. But no one has ever said, I want you to say this, I want you to say that about a particular item, I want you to like everything. If they did, it would be a firm no, because I don't want to do that, not even for money, because it's just fake. So every item that I review that has been given to me for free, it is important that you know that my thoughts and my opinions are my own thoughts and opinions. And there has been some boxes that I haven't particularly liked, or there's been certain items that I haven't liked. So yeah, I'm not going to be nasty about it because that's just not me anyway. But yeah, so my thoughts are my own basically. So let's get on to Masktime. So Masktime, if you haven't already guessed by the name, and if you haven't seen my previous video, which I'll link down below if you're interested to see what I got last month, it is a Korean sheet mask subscription. So the box costs £24.99 and you are free to cancel any month. Now currently they only ship within mainland UK, so inside a box you will get between 8 to 10 masks. So all masks have been tested before they are created to make sure that they are the best quality and that they are suitable for all skin types. All masks are cruelty free. You can also buy one-off boxes, and also on their website you can buy individual masks as well. And I think free shipping is if you spend over £30. But I'll link all the details down below and the links to the subscription. So click on the show more and that'll bring up the description, and all the details will be down there, links to the website and their social media and everything. So if you're interested to learn more about Masktime, just take a look in the description. Oh, and they also do special boxes, like one-off special edition boxes for like Christmas and Valentine's and things like that. So I'm not aware of any coming up soon, but if you're interested in seeing those one-off boxes, then check out their website now and again and something might crop up. I'm not sure if you can actually sign up to a mailing list so that you're first to know when things like that happen. I will find out and I will let you know down below. So let's open this box. I should open it from here because it just comes out the box better. So anyway, I'll lift it up here and it says, say ready, set, go. I can't read backwards. So, and that's what the box looks like inside, and it's all packaged in this gorgeous wrapping paper. So let's open it up. There's a little sticker. So there's a little leaflet here, so I'll put that down. And then there's a larger leaflet, and inside here it tells you everything about these masks, and it tells you the price as well. So these are all my masks. Oh my gosh, I just love sheet masks. I love them. All bright colours, and oh my word, there's loads here. How many? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 masks. Ooh. We got a bonus. I know we had a freebie. We had a little tiny freebie, so maybe one of these is a freebie. I don't know, I'll have to have a look. But look at all these masks. Oh, exciting, exciting. Right, I'll put this down to the side of me and I'll just take a look at the leaflets, and then what I normally do with my subscription unboxings, I just grab an item, show you, and have a little bit of a read and see how much it costs. So before we do that, so we've got a little leaflet that just says thank you, and it's just got the name on. There's another little leaflet here which tells you a little bit about this box, and I'll just read it out. It said, out with the old and in with the new. This month we are focusing on slowing away that dead skin and revealing brighter, healthier and happy skin. Included in this month's box to celebrate the launch of our Glow Setter box is a surprise gift and bonus skincare item. Now that really is a treat. Ah, that's why we've got 11. Okay, so because this is obviously a Korean sheet mask, they always give you a Korean word to learn. We've got 2 words here, and it's happy and I'm happy, and the pronunciation is haengbok. Oh gosh, I'm so sorry, I am really bad. Haengbok is happy, and haengbok heyo. Haengbok heyo. I'm happy. I'm really sorry if you're Korean and I've completely slated that, but if you're interested to see for yourself, that's what it is. So I think that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Sheety tips. For better absorption of product into the skin, we recommend exfoliating before masking. Don't throw away any leftover essence in the packaging. Use on your neck and other areas that need some TLC. So they recommend that you cleanse and tone, apply mask for 15 to 20 minutes, remove mask and gently pat remaining product into the skin, which if you've tried masks, you will know this already. So I'll put this down and I'll refer to it as I go along. So the first one is beautiful. It's just screaming unicorn to me. It's the colours. It's the pastel colours. So that's what that looks like there. So this is the Art Cell, and it's an Aurora Pearl mask pack, and it's a brightening effect. And it's vitalising, brightening, skin tone up. Ooh. So the recommended retail price for this is £3.50. It says the niacinamide from the Aurora Pearl essence works to brighten dull complexions and give skin a luminous glow. The cellulose sheet works to revitalise, firm and moisturise the overall appearance of the face. That sounds lovely, doesn't it? And that packaging is gorgeous. Next one is a Medi Lab, and it's Black Rose Ampule Mask Pack Ultra Aqua. And it's 100% natural roses, fibre sheets, and it's soothing and moisturising. And it says whitening and anti-wrinkle. Whitening. Is that, should be brightening? I'm not too sure. But no, that looks pretty cool. So let's see what the information says. So the recommended retail price for this mask is £4. It says, this extremely thin, slightly translucent pink sheet mask adheres amazingly to the skin, perfect for all skin types, even sensitive skins. The Black Damask Rose water calms irritated skin and works to promote a healthy and clear complexion. It's by Frienvita, and it's a skin filtering, and it's a whitening filtering mask. Whitening functioning. What does whitening mean in a mask? Can any of you tell me? Does it mean brightening, or does it actually... Because you can get creams, can't you, that can whiten your skin and reduce like brown spots on the skin and things like that. Is that the sort of thing? I'm not so sure. I should look into it, shouldn't I, really? Doing a beauty YouTube channel. I should know these things. But no, skin filtering, yeah. So that's what that looks like there. But the recommended retail price of this is £3.50. It says it's one of the first masks that have a skin filtering function. It helps to protect your skin from yellow dust, fine dust and atmospheric contamination. Vitamin C alleviates pigmentation and production of elastin. Since vitamin C is water soluble, it works fast to suppress melanin production, cause of pigmentation, and helps to lessen the appearance of dark spots. That's what whitening means. Get it now. It's common sense really, isn't it? But yeah. Hectic, and it's called It's Pack Time, AM 7 AM. That's what that looks like there. I love the designs of these masks, they're so cool. So the recommended retail price for this is £3.50. This mask only has the essence placed on one side of the mask for maximum absorption with minimum time. So you can dry your hair without having the annoyance of hairs getting stuck on the mask and getting messy. This mask helps to brighten overall skin tone, especially after a late night, while soothing and moisturising the skin's barrier. Next one, it's a double one. It's a two-tone sheet mask, and it's brightening super berry. Sounds nice. It's hydrating, and it's by Laneige. It's by Lang. Oh, I can't pronounce it. There. That's what that looks like there. So the information says that this is a bit more expensive than the others. The cost of this is £5.50. It says, finally, a sheet mask that addresses two skin issues on different parts of the face at the same time. Now that is clever. This microfiber sheet provides a silky feel and closely adheres to the face. The brightening effect uses the pink coloured sheet infused with super berry extract that clarifies the T-zone, making skin clear and bright. The Water Bank Hydro Iron Mineral Water moisturises dry skin around the mouth and cheeks, leaving skin revitalised and hydrated. Now that sounds lovely. No, I can't wait to try that. The next one is super cool. I just love the colour. It's really bright, isn't it? So Power 10 formula, and it's called V, and it's a sheet mask, and it's skin. So no, I like that. So the recommended retail price for this mask is £3.50. This mask focuses on providing deep nourishment and hydration to lifeless skin. Vitamin E provides moisture, while vitamin C ensures healthy skin promotion. Eucalyptus extract soothes irritation and helps to strengthen the skin's natural barrier, leaving you with a radiant shine. The next one, rDNA Recovery Ampoule Mask Pack. Super elastic skin firming of collagen. Ooh, quite an understated design there. So that's what that looks like. Recommended retail price for this mask is £4, and the information said that it's comprised of hydrolysed marine collagen, hyaluronic acid and tripeptides. Vitalises skin, restores health to damaged cells, improves elasticity, soothes skin and prevents wrinkles too. Aimed for those that need a moisture and nutrition boost. Now that sounds amazing. I'm a huge fan of hyaluronic acid, but no, that sounds really cool. Never underestimate a mask by its cover. It might be plain, but it sure packs in something, or so it says anyway. But no, I look forward to trying this. So this is Roseheart Daily Brightening Pink Mask. So it says a 2-step mask, Vita Complex 10. I like this. It's quite pretty. So that's there. That's what that looks like. The recommended retail price for this mask is £4. It says that this mask is enriched with Adrisia crispa extract, which promotes brightening properties. Rose water is used to soften the texture of skin and resurface dry, rough skin. Vita Complex 10 is infused to combat the signs of aging, and one of our favourite ingredients, hyaluronic acid, which provides long-lasting moisture for thirsty skin. I love them. Right, so this one is by Dewpiwl, and it's a defense mask, Pore. So it's a 3 calming ingredients barrier defense system. And it's a micro-away sheet. So that's what that looks like there. Recommended retail price for this mask is £4. Sick of seeing those enlarged pores? Yes, I am. We've got the answer. Dewpill's defense mask does just that. The sheet is made from a micro-away fabric. The brilliance of this mask is that it pulls away the dust particles from the skin and attaches itself to the gaps within the fabric of the mask. Magic. This stops bacteria breeding on the surface of the skin, thus helping pores to stay clean and unblocked. Ingredients such as witch hazel, portulaca, oleracea, I can't say it, and tea tree helps to soothe blemish-prone skin. So even though I haven't got blemishes, I do have massive pores, so I'm really curious to see how that works on my skin. Next one is Salon d'été Skin Tuning Recipe by Wild Tea Ingredients. It's a little mini one. There's just about the size of my hand there. So the recommended retail price is £2.99, and this is the bonus skincare product in the box. It's one of Korea's hottest sellers and was a game changer in the beauty world. Not only does this mini glove exfoliate and unclog pores, it also deep cleans too. The white side can be used over a full face of makeup or a cleansed face for a deeper clean to remove grime, dead cells and any excess makeup residue. The yellow side is infused with botanical extracts such as fennel, basil and jasmine to clarify and tone the skin. Gently wipe over entire face or T-zone, avoiding eye area. Rinse with a few splashes of water and continue with your daily skincare regime. Oh, wow, so it's actually, I can see it here now, so it's a pad. You can sort of see on the back there. So it's a little pad. Oh, I love it. Really, really good. Great idea. And our last item is a hand mask. I love things like this. Feet masks, hand masks. My hands and nails are always in need of extra loving care. And these are moisturising gloves. And it's by MG Care. And it's a hand care pack. And it just says moisturising and supplies nutrients. And premium. So that's what that looks like. So the recommended retail price for this mask is £4. For the launch of our Glow Starter box, we have included a surprise gift, and here it is. Often we neglect our hands as we concentrate only on our face, but our hands show our age too. Centella asiatica. I Gives moisture to chapped hands and improves blood circulation, leaving you with softer, smoother mitts. And that's all our face masks. And yeah, I'm really impressed. I can't wait to try a good few of them, definitely. There's a few there that I was like, oh, I need to try. So if you enjoyed this review, it'd be really lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, then please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.